How do I remove a substring from the end of a string? I have the following code. I expected, apt. I got, apt. Now I do. Is there a better way?
Strip doesn't mean remove this substring. X.strip y treats y as a set of characters and strips any characters in that set from both ends of X. On Python 3.9 and newer, you can use the remove prefix and remove a suffix methods to remove an entire substring from either side of the string. The relevant Python enhancement proposal is PEP 616. On Python 3.8 and older, you can use ins with and slicing. Or a regular expression.
If you are sure that the string only appears at the end, then the simplest way would be to use replace.
Since it seems like nobody has pointed this on out yet. This should be more efficient than the methods using split as no new list object is created, and this solution works for strings with several dots.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.